Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's video is free music for YouTube videos and Facebook videos. So it's just a few tips for today, and let's get started. For free music for your YouTube videos, you can log into your YouTube account. So you can go to YouTube Studio. Then in the left side, you will click the audio library. So this is the audio library where you can download free music and sound effects. So you can search, okay, you can go and click here on the top. Then you can select track title, genre, mode, artist name, duration. So I will try to select genre. Then you can select the options here. Okay, ambient, children's, cinematic, classical. So for example, I will choose the dance and electronic. Okay, then click the word apply. Then all the dance and electronic music will be displayed. So all you have to do is to choose. You can scroll up and down. Then you can go to the next page. Then you can preview the free music. For example, here, rewind. You can click this to preview the audio. Okay. Walking in the Sky. You can adjust the volume. Then if you like this music, you can add a star. Okay, then to download, you can click this download. Okay, click this download. So this is the one, Walking in the Sky. It's still downloading. For the sound effects, same process with the free music. You can preview the music and download, or you can search here on the top. Next, for the start, okay, click this start. So this is where the music stored here, the one that you added a star, so that you can find it easily. The second way to find free music for your YouTube videos is YouTube channel. So you will log into YouTube. Then for example, if you are looking for a background music for streaming, so you will search here no copyright background music for streaming. Then click search. Then you will click the here in the filter. Then you will click the Creative Commons. So this is all the result, the background music with no copyright. So all you have to do is to choose. You can click to preview the music. Okay, for example, this one, no copyright streaming background music. So click this. Okay, then next you will read the description. So it should be licensed as Creative Commons Attribution, so reuse allowed. And you will read carefully the description. Then for Facebook videos, free music, you can log into your Facebook account, then go to your Facebook page. So now I am here on my Facebook page. Then on the left side here, you will click the publishing tools. Then click the sound collection, this one. So this is the sound collection on Facebook page. So here you can select sound effects and free music for your Facebook videos. To search for a track, you can click here on the top, search for a track, or you can select here under all genre. You can select, there's a Western, classical, blues, holiday, and then you can also select the modes and the duration and the vocals. So for example, I will try to search the holiday music. So this is all the holiday music. To preview and play the music, you will click this. Then to download, you will click the down arrow. So this is the music, it's still downloading. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, or click subscribe for more videos.